This is tutorial 8-2, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to clip features. We're going to be using the same map that we were using in the previous tutorial. And the first thing we're going to be doing is using the select by location tool, which is under selection. And from here we want to choose New York Metro roads, and we want the ones that are in Manhattan, and this one can stay the same. We're going to hit apply, and then we can close it, and then we're going to zoom into that layer. There we go. And what they want us to do now is to right click on New York Metro roads and export that as Manhattan roads. And we're going to add that to our map. We can unselect things now, and we're going to turn off New York Metro roads. As you can see though, roads are still showing up on Bronx, Queens, and Brooklyn. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a tool called clipping that will get rid of those, and it'll make it look much neater. So what we're going to do is we are going to go up to geoprocessing, and we're going to use the clip tool. And for the input features, we are going to choose New York Metro roads, and we're going to clip them to Manhattan. And we're just going to call it, we're going to browse to our exercise folder, and we're just going to call this clipped Manhattan roads, and save. And then we can click OK. And as you can see, the process is being done here. The larger the shapefile, the longer the clipping will take. I've done these with whole road systems for states, and they can take quite a bit of time. Now I'm gonna turn Manhattan roads off, and then back on. As you can see how the lines disappear. So that is how you clip road or features to other features, and it'll make it look much neater. Like if I had to turn off everything but Manhattan, it looks much neater rather than have Manhattan roads which go off to nowhere, or even worse, New York Metro roads where you have roads all over here. The clipped feature is by far the neatest looking. There is a U-turn that you should go do. They want you to clip the roads to Bronx. And if you want, you can go do it to all of the neighborhoods. And that is it for tutorial 8-2.